Hello everybody, it's Wednesday morning here in California, and today is the day na papakuluan natin ang homemade salted egg. Excuse ang daming mess sa akong kitchen. So yan, actually it's October 23rd today. Remember I added 3 more days to complete the process of making the salted egg. Kaya eto na, kukunin na natin isa-isa yung egg para isahin sa kaldero. Ang gagamitin ko lang ay yung aking slow cooker para maganda yung pagkakakulo natin in slow manner. Tsaka abali, gusto ko din kasing masave yung namin propane, ang aming gas, kaya we're gonna be using our electric slow cooker. These eggs are gonna be yummy. Oops. Don't crack. So ayan na nga, bali 11 na lang sila kasi 'di ba 3 days ago tinry kong i-boil yung isa to test kung okay na yung saltiness level at oiliness ng egg yolk. At hindi ako na-satisfied kaya nag-add ako ng 3 araw para magkaroon pa ng additional saltiness. No. You have to make sure na nakalubog yung egg sa water. Kumusta mga salted egg? Okay ba tayo dyan? They're so cute. Andyan na sila sa slow cooker. Nakalagay na sila lahat. Kaya, push the power button and click the slow cook. So ayan, according to the slow cook, 2 hours siyang papakuluan. Hintayin natin and I'll be back later. Okay, we still got 28 minutes left. Finally, natapos na siyang mapakuluan. Kaya, tanggalin na natin siya or ang ating salted egg. Hanguin na natin. Okay? Yes. Wait to try the salted eggs. So, ayan na. Yay! These are the salted eggs that I made for 23 days I had to wait that long, and then today I finally boiled them all. This is the moment of truth. You'll see how. Oh wow, I like it. See, I like it better than I boiled one like 3 days ago. This is the texture that I really want. It's oily, looks really good. So I'm gonna have this for dinner tonight. I'll add tomato, sliced tomato, and then I'll get a little bit of rice to go with it. Oh, it's so oily. Look at that oil. Okay, now this is it. I'm so super satisfied. So again, kung gusto nyong gumawa nito sa inyong mga bahay, kasi dito ang mahal eh. $1 para sa isang itlog na pula, kaya nag-decide ako na gumawa na lang para meron din akong stock sa fridge anytime na mag-crave ako, meron akong makukuha. So I'm gonna tell you guys how I did the salted egg, and the measurement is for a dozen of eggs you need half cup of salt and 1 cup of water. So I made 1 dozen, so I use 1 cup of salt and 2 cups of water. So you just boil the salt and water, and then just set it aside and let it cool. And after that, you can just arrange the uncooked eggs on the big jar, and then pour the salt and water solution in the jar, and then seal it tightly and wait for 21 days. But since I'm not satisfied with 21 days, so I made it 23 days for it to
23.
Yeah, 23
Okay.
days to make the salt more flavorful, but it's not really salty. I just like the level of saltiness and the oiliness, as you can see, you know, and the texture is real good. So if you have any question regarding this salted egg, this homemade salted egg, just leave a comment down below and I will get back
Hang
to
on.
you as soon as I can.
Oh, wait a minute now. I think you should go through it real quick once more because you went through it kind of fast. So go ahead and do it again.
Really?
Yeah, just
Kidding?
no. So you do what first?
Yeah, so you... Okay, let me do this.
I know they'll appreciate this.
Yeah, so for half dozen of eggs,
Okay.
you need 1/2 cup of salt and 1 cup of water.
Okay.
So, and when you're making 12 dozen, so you just have to double the, you know,
Okay.
salt and water, and then you boil. You have to boil the salt and water and let it cool.
How long do you boil it?
Not long.
Like 5 minutes or so.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you can just arrange the uncooked egg in a big jar, and then pour the brine solution or the salt and water solution and seal it tightly, and wait for 21 days usually, but I'm not satisfied with 21 days. That's why I added 2 more days to make it 23 days.
Okay. That makes sense.
I like the result, the 23 days result. Yep. So there you go. Any questions? Leave a comment down below, okay? Hope you like this video. Thank you.